on the board, okay? He gets it.
I don't know where it is.
Alright, which one?
I don't know where to get to paint.
Okay, so you press on the paintbrush closest here. The tab here. Right here. You just press on that. Et voila. So then you find the paintbrush over here.
Yeah, but the game's really black.
So we can change the color actually. If you just tap again over here.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay. Could you set your tablet on the table here? Let me just move your computer so you don't, we don't have it fall. Just place your tablet on the computer. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you're good. So you press on a paintbrush.
Oh, wow.
Great. You press on fill. Amazing. So you see how the color is black, right? Well, that's because the brightness is, there is no brightness at all. You're at the darkest one. So if you can drag the brightness option to, no, the brightness. No, this one, the one below. Here, you see the colors, the green color?
Yeah.
So you drag this over here. You see how there's colors?
Yeah.